Hello everybody, my name is Kristen Bardelli and I am the business middle school computer science teacher at Cornell High School. If you cannot make open house tonight, I hope you find this information informative. I just want to welcome everybody. At the top here I talk about student expectations, what I expect of them, good behavior, respect, supportive, as well as classwork is always updated on Google Classroom and all materials and assignments are posted. The curriculum consists of computer science for 7th grade, 8th grade, office concepts, and college financial accounting. Those are the classes that I teach. First, CS Discovery 7th grade is a 30-day rotation, and we concentrate on web development. I did teach in the elementary in previous years and last year, but we did not get very far with web development, so I thought it best that we start from scratch so we can work on creating a website, which is what the kids are doing right now. So the goals are to create and share the content of their own web pages, learn how to structure and style the program using HTML and CSS, which is style sheet, practice valuable programming skills such as debugging, using resources, and teamwork. And below there, I talk about all the overall goals for computer science at this level. It's a 30-day rotation, and students are graded on A, B, C, D, or F for the class. In 8th grade, it is a 9-week rotation, and we're also doing CS Discoveries on code.org, but this time our focus is on interactive animation and games. So the goals of this class are to build on the coding experience, to program animations, interactive art, and games in Game Lab, starting off with simple shapes and becoming more sophisticated using sprites, conditionals, the same programming concepts in the design process computer scientists use daily. So in their final project, they'll develop a personalized interactive program. And again, the overall CS goals are below. In Office Concepts, this is a full year class, 9th through 12th grade elective. I've redesigned this class this year to be a mini project-based class, but I am exploring other tools such as the GCF Global website, as well as the textbook website that we have on the internet right now that was purchased several years ago. I'm trying to figure out the best fit for the class still. So right now we're working on mini projects, and we'll be working in the Microsoft Office suite of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, and possibly Publisher. I haven't decided that for sure or not, but I do have it on there just in case we get to it this year. College accounting is the last class that I teach. Students can receive 3 college credits, which is very good for anyone that's planning on going to college, even if you're not majoring in accounting. Accounting is a required course for a lot of undergraduate programs, so it's a good idea to take it and save some money here. So on the left, we're working with the accounting for a service business. This will probably take us up, I'm thinking, until the midterm. I'm not quite sure yet, but these are all the things we'll be doing for a service business. And once we get past the midterm, we'll be talking about merchandising business organizations. So feel free to read that so you have an idea of what we're doing in that class as well. Again, we use a program called MindTap, which is given to us, or we purchased from a company called Cengage. So a lot of the assignments are online now, not paper and pencil anymore. So it makes it a lot easier, but I do try and explain things thoroughly through our presentations and our readings daily, so kids have a good understanding of how the accounting process works for a service business. And last but not least, just a reminder that I do update Google Classroom pretty much daily. Accounting, sometimes I put 2 or 3 days in one assignment because they actually go to an outside resource to get their working papers. But everything else is pretty much updated daily. Students are expected to keep up with work, especially when they're absent. I do accept late work. I don't take points off for it, but it has to be within reason. I don't want to accept late work weeks and weeks after it was due. So I just ask the students, let me know that they fixed something so I can go and recheck it, because I don't always get notified if they resubmit something on Google Classroom. If they have any questions or you have any questions, feel free to email me. Again, it's kbardelli@cornellsd.org. And last but not least, there's a Parent-Teacher Conference Day on October 29th. So if you are interested in scheduling a meeting or a phone call, my number is 412-264-5010, extension 4331. Again, my name is Kristen Bardelli, and I hope you have a good evening, and I hope this was very informative for you. Thanks.